Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. How are you lovelies? Before I start, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. So for today, it's mini saving challenges day. So normally I do it on Monday, but I don't have time to do it upon according to the schedule, but today I have 30 minutes for this one. So let's start. So I will, for my mini saving challenges, I save $50 each time. So let's change it into prop money so that I can use it for these challenges, and let's save it in this envelope. There's some more money here, and later on, oh, you know what? I'll change it into smaller notes. Okay. And later I will change, if there's any completed saving challenges, I will change the prop money into real one. Okay, let's put it aside and let's roll the dice. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll let you know which from which channel this saving challenges is. So let's go. 3, 5, 3, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 3. Oh, this one is finished. Think. 5, 2, 5, 3 is done. 1, 3 is done. 5. Okay. So 2 of the saving challenges didn't roll today. So this one is from Rock's Budget. I only need 5 here to finish it, but didn't go on that. It didn't roll on this. Didn't roll 6. And then for the one I have here is from me. I created this one last year and it didn't get anything. So let's give it here. And the one who got here is this from Madeline of Madeline Budgets. And it got $5, $10, $20. Let's see how much we got in here. So I need to cross here $20. So let's see. Maybe 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. $5. 1, 10, 14, 17, 20. Is it? 5, 14. I think so. Okay, so how much we save here? 10, 20, 30, 35. So let's change 20 into real notes. So 35. And I will double check it later. I don't wear my eyeglasses, so I cannot see if I do it right. Okay. So it's now nearly 5 p.m. Thursday in Hong Kong, April 3. And I need to go back to work before 7 o'clock. But I still have a lot of things to do at home. So, okay. So next one. So let's start with this. I think it's Simply Living Saves. I need 5, 10, 15, 20. I got here 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay. So let's change that into real money. And this one, let's cross this out. Oh, I think 5, 10, 15, 20. It's not yet done. Okay, I thought it's done. It's rolled twice in there, but let's grab this one. Supposed to be 5, right? Yeah, this one. I need to get this because it's roll 3 2 times, but I put and then it's roll again. It's 5. So this one I will put in here to finish this. Okay, let's ring the bell. Alright, so total amount saved here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, 60. This one need to put back here. Okay, this saving challenge done. I thought it's done. See there? Okay, let's finish this and keep it. And this one is from Cathy of Cruise Budgets. Additional 5. So just cross this out. It's supposed to be roll and save, but I just make it as $5 each icon. So total amount here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Should be 55. But here it's 30, 10, 20, 30. Yeah, $30. Let's change this into real note. So now it's $30. Okay. This one is a new one. I just replaced my completed mini saving challenges last time. So I replaced it with Miles, Hello Kitty, with ribbon. And the denomination here is $3, but I will make it as $5 each icon. So this one I cross here. And this saving challenge is from Mamshi Queen. She also have a YouTube channel and she's my cousin. She lives also in Hong Kong. So if you want to grab this free saving challenge from her, you can go to her Copa shop and I thought it's in blue. And you can just get there. It's I think, I don't know if it's for free or there's a payment, but she just gave it to me. That's why I don't check out much of Copa now or coffee. So we saved $50 this week, and next week I will save again another $50. And I will replace the one that completed here with other mini saving challenges that I have. So that's all for today, lovely. See you all around, and thank you for bearing with me, and thank you for staying and watching my videos, even though it's just the schedule is really not consistent. So anyway, thank you so much, and I finished one mini saving challenge, and I will put it together with the other one, and I will allocate it as soon as I can, or if I can. Thank you so much. That's it for now. See you next time. Be humble and grateful. Bye for now, and see you later. Bye. Make saving a habit. Bye. God bless.